In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an object ID in Salesforce. This is a handy tip for anyone working within Salesforce who needs to identify specific records quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account and you're on your homepage. This is the starting point for navigating to any record you need. Once you're there, look for the tab labeled Cases on the navigation bar. Clicking on this will take you to the Cases section, where you can view all the cases available to you. This section will display a list of cases that your organization is currently handling. Next, you'll want to find the specific object or case for which you need to obtain the object ID. Click on the particular case you're interested in. Once the page loads, you'll be redirected to the details of that case. Now, this is where the magic happens. Take a glance at your web browser's address bar. You'll notice a mix of letters and numbers following the main URL. This combination is the object ID you're looking for. It's unique to the case or object you're currently viewing and is essential for identifying this specific record within the Salesforce system. Remember, the object ID is a key component when navigating the back end of Salesforce or when integrating it with other applications. It can also be useful for reporting or when setting up automated processes. It might be helpful to jot it down or copy it for later use. And there you have it, a straightforward way to find object IDs in Salesforce. This process is not only simple, but also crucial for anyone who needs to keep track of specific records or integrate Salesforce with other systems. As a tip, always double-check that you're looking at the right object to avoid any mix-ups with IDs. I hope this walkthrough has been clear and helpful. Salesforce is a powerful tool, and understanding how to navigate it efficiently can save you time and effort. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy Salesforce navigating.